Assalamualaikum everyone. So today is me doing a small request from this person comment who wanted my shawl tutorial. Only one person minta shawl tutorial ni, but I just kind of thought, why don't I just share? So you can use this style for any material. The material that I always use are chiffon and also pleated shawl. What you're going to start off with is a long side and also a short side. The short side would be on the good side or the photogenic side of your face. So mine is over here. So what you're going to do is at the short side, you would just fold it like this. Then on this side, on the long side, instead of taking it at the seam, there will be a space here. Just take it at the space here. Make sure to leave a little bit of fabric. Then pull it to the middle and use a push to secure it in place. So it's going to be looking like this. Okay, this is the folded, this is the space. Okay, and then the short side, just pin it over your shoulder like so. Before you bring the long side to the back, just adjust it. Just bring some of the fabric to the back so that you can cover your back. And then put your finger here and just make sure that there will be kind of like a space, because we want to maintain the loose drape here. So just put your finger here, pull it to the back like this, and then use another pin and a needle type this time. Pin it on your head like so. Then bring your shawl to the back. So now you maintain the loose straight look. If you're not comfortable with it being with the jarum to be on top, you can just pin it on the side if you like. It all depends on your preference. This side you can either let it loose like this, or you can bring it on top of your shoulder. Then adjust, zhoosh it up a bit like so, knit it up, and then you're done. Ta-da! So you have the neat side, which is the photogenic side, and you have like the drape loose look on the other side. So yeah, that's how I just wear my shawl, my everyday shawl. I hope that this is beneficial to you. Okay, bye bye.